What's up guys and girls? It's Saturday, it's tutorial time and we're taking it back to the ledge skating today. I'm going to be teaching you how to do a backside nose slide. So you're going to be sliding on the nose. To accomplish this trick, all you need is a ledge, a skateboard and most importantly, some slip-in whiz. So get your wax out. Wax up the ledge. You don't want to be sticking on your nose slide. You want it to be nice and cruisy. So assuming that you already know how to ollie, you're ready to go. A good way to make sure your ollie is high enough to get onto the ledge that you're going to be using and that you're comfortable enough throwing that weight onto the front foot is by hitting the ledge straight on. So you just ollie straight onto the nose and then drop back off. Once you get comfortable doing that 3 or 4 times, it's time to start taking that angle in so that you slide the nose slide. So like most other ledge tricks, it's important that you come at it at a bit of an angle like this. Because if you come at it straight on, it's going to be very tricky to then throw all of your weight up on top of the ledge. So make sure you approach it diagonally and then it's much easier to pop your ollie and go straight into that nose slide. So when approaching this nose slide, the number one thing you want to be thinking about is committing to landing on that nose with all of your weight on that front leg. So assuming that you've got a good amount of wax on the ledge so that you're not likely to stick too much, the next thing you want to think about is the speed you approach the obstacle at. So you don't want to go so fast that the board slides out and you fall flat on your bum, because that is not going to help you. You want to get a good amount of speed so that you slide nice and controlled. Like with the board slide, the upper body is quite important with this one. So when you're approaching the obstacle, you want to make sure your shoulders are nice and parallel to your board. But when you ollie, your legs and lower body are going to turn onto the nose slide. And if you keep your shoulders straight, it will make it much easier to pop back round and land straight. To make sure you've mastered how to pop out of the ledge, you can practice it by just placing your board in nose slide, standing up on top of it and jumping down. And if you repeat that over and over again, the landing part will be so easy that you just need to focus on ollieing on and sliding across it. So that was nose slides. I hope this tutorial helped. If you're not fortunate enough to have a ledge to learn it on, wax up a curb or a pavement, give it a go on that. Anything will do to really get the hang of it, and then you can take it to the skate park and try it on as many different obstacles as possible. Thank you for watching our tutorials. Remember to click subscribe and hit the bell to get notifications every time we post one. Tune in next Saturday and comment below if there's any trick in particular that you want to see. Thank you, good night!